Hello, good morning, students. I, how are you all? I believe everybody is well and good. As you know, today is 3rd of August, and today we are going to look at the same block 12, lesson plan 2, right? I hope you have enjoyed the previous lesson plan. And let me tell you, this is the teaching video of block 12, social studies block 12, lesson plan 2, right? So please keep ready your resources, your content book, workbook, notebook, pencil and eraser. Let us see what we have learned yesterday. Yesterday we could see about the helpful firefighters. Wherever when we get fire, how the firefighter help us to rescue from the fires, how they rescue us from fire. Well, let me tell you, the telephone operators and drivers and firefighters are the people who work at the fire station. Please remember it. Who work at the fire station? Telephone operators. Telephone operator is the one who receives the telephone when you call fire station. Drivers are the one who drives the fire trucks. Firefighters are the main people who rescued from us from fire. These are the people who work at the fire station. All right. Next, fire station store all things that are needed to put out fires, like water hoses, ladders, fire trucks, and ropes. Okay. Next is, if fire is small, we can put water or a blanket on it to put out the fire. And next point, if fire is big, then we can stay away from the fire in an open area, and we should let other people to know about it, right? So these are the keywords that we are going to see in the this lesson plan. Hospital. It is a building where doctors treat sick people. Sick means the one who is physically unwell. Doctors are the one who treat sick or ill people. Nurses are the one who cares for the patient. Treat means to act or behave towards somebody. Patient means a person who is receiving medical treatment. Ambulance means vehicle that carries sick, ill or injured person to a hospital. Right. So let me ask you this question. Have you ever been to a hospital? Why did you visit the hospital? Right? Please understand the question. Have you ever been to a hospital? क्या आप कभी हॉस्पिटल गए हैं? If yes, then why did you visit the hospital? Let me tell you. So some of us have been to a hospital, right? And we go to hospital. Why? When we are sick or badly hurt, right? Then only we go to hospital, na? Eh? When we are sick or we are badly hurt or injured, so at that time we go to hospital, right? And if an other situation when we get some test done, then also we visit hospital or we go to hospital. And when we need a doctor to consult, then also we go to hospital, right? So these are the things that tell us that why we visit hospital. Understand? Next, this is our aim for today's class. So our aim is you will be able to explain the importance of a hospital after the end of this videos. And so look at here, this is our topic, we need hospitals. Today's topic is we need hospital, right? Now I would like to tell you, please divide in a group or divide or not need not to be in a group. it is better if you can divide in a group. Make a small group along with your family member, right? And after making a group, you have to read the situation which is given here 1 to 6. There are 6 points are here. Let me read for you. Ram has a cold. Mohan has very high fever. For many days, he needs his blood tested. Amit fell down on the playground and got a small cut on his finger. Rohit slipped on a banana peel. He fell and broke his arm. Radha's father has a stomach ache. Radha's grandfather has a pain near his heart. My mother has a headache. My neighbor is about to have her baby. Anand needs glasses for his eyes. Sumit hurt his eyes and needs an operation. I burnt my finger while ironing clothes. My neighbors had a fire in the house. Their son got many burns on his body. I hope you have understood and read it. Let me ask you this question. Which people from the situation that you read needed to go to the hospital? So after answering this, you have to answer why do they need to go to hospital? So both are related to each other. First, you have to identify the person who need to go to hospital, and second, you have to tell the reason why he need to go to hospital. And third question, what is a hospital, you have to tell about. Let me tell you the person who go to hospital. The person with high fever, broken arm, grandfather who is a heart, pain in his, near his heart, people who need surgeries, bad burns are needed to go to hospital, right? Why need to go to hospital? So they need to go for blood test, x-ray, special treatment, surgery, and bird burns treatment. So these are the reason that they should go to hospital. And a hospital is a place with many doctors, nurses, and machines to check and treat our health problem, right? What is a hospital? A hospital is a place with many doctors, nurses, and machines to check and treat our health problem. Okay, next. Who works at hospital? Can you tell me? Who works at hospital? Many doctors and nurses works at hospital, and they are doctors who can treat different patients. We see many sick people at the hospital. How can we reach to hospital if you do not have our own vehicle? Right, look at here. So there are many doctors and nurses work at hospital. If you do not have our own vehicle, then we can call ambulance to reach to hospital, right? Third, many doctors, nurses, and sick people are there in the hospital. Who are in the hospital? Many doctors, nurses, sick people are there in the hospital. Now, what is hospital? Hospital is a very important place. It helps us and our loved ones to be healthy again, right? So, how do hospital help us? Hospital is a very important place, let me tell you, and it helps us and our loved ones to be healthy again. So remember these few points. Doctors and nurses work at hospital. They treat different patients. Many patients are carried to hospital in ambulance, right? When we do not have our own vehicle, we call ambulance, and ambulance takes us to the hospital. So this is a picture of a hospital. You can see and imagine, right? The person who is standing in front of the hospital is it seems like a doctor or nurse. Another side, there's a doctor standing with a nurse, and the vehicle which is running over the road is an ambulance, and here the person who is sitting on the wheelchair is a patient, right? These all situations are shown in the hospital. These are the nurses who are taking place to serve the community. These are the team of doctors. So let me ask this last question. What if there were no hospital? I'll repeat the question. What if there were no hospital? Right. If there were no hospital, people would suffer with diseases and sickness, right? If there were no hospital, people would suffer with disease and sickness. Second, the death rate will increase. Okay, if there will be no hospital and people will not get treatment on time, so if they will not get treatment on time, then definitely the people will die, and if they will die, so our death rate in our country will increase. Okay, next point, this 2 point is main point, understand. So first thing, if there were no hospital, people would suffer with disease and sickness, and death rate will increase. Who is the hospital staff, or which one is the hospital staff, right? So option will be given in the link which is posted in Schoolia. You can find the correct option. Okay, let's move. So you have to complete this worksheet S2 of block 12. It is, let me explain the question. List the people who work in a hospital. Okay, you have to make a list of people who work in hospital. Second, describe why hospital are useful for us and how the people in a hospital help us. Right. Hospitals are useful to us because, okay, you have to write because, after the because you have to add many more points. People who work in a hospital are helpful to us because, how they are helpful you have to write here. And what would happen if there were no hospital? I told you this last point. What will happen if there were no hospital in our community, in our neighbor? Okay, let's move next. So you have to read the topic, we need hospitals, this topic again of block 12, and you have to complete your worksheet volume 2 S2 of block 12. Also, you have to do the practice question 4 and 7 in your notebook, right? I hope you have understood. So time is over and we have almost completed this lesson plan, and I hope you have learned and enjoyed. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you very much. God bless you.